Hi, I'm Alok Gupta, Group Executive Vice President and Global Business Head at Jaquar. So when we at Jaquar decided to go global, we were very clear. The whole endeavor was to build an Indian multinational with the whole value proposition of localization, brand building, and customer experience. Quality comes with manufacturing, and for that we invested heavily in technology, capacity, and innovation. As we speak today, Jaquar has 8 state-of-the-art manufacturing setups, truly world-class technology, huge capacities, R&D centers, which brings the best to the world. We make sure that we have only one standard. The same product that we supply to Europe, to Middle East, to Africa, is the same product being sold in India or to the Asian market. We have only one standard, which is the truly global standard. As we speak today, Jaquar is operating in more than 55 countries across the globe, entire Europe, Middle East, Africa, India, Asia Pacific, and Russia region. At Jaquar, we believe in giving complete bath and light solutions to the market, which are coordinated in color, finish, design, and shape. Jaquar has partnered and collaborated with the best developers, architects, designers, construction companies across the globe. We have collaborated across more than 1,000 international projects, both across residential, hospitality, government, commercial, and institutions. From iconic projects like Marriott, Manchester, Hilton, Doha, Crown Plaza, Saudi, to residential groups like MR, Shobha, Damac, Capital Land. We have also done government projects. We have partnered with Ministry of Education, Ministry of Defense in Oman, shopping malls, doing iconic projects like FIFA World Cup, Khalifa Stadium in Qatar, and now working with Singapore Housing Development Board. In today's world, quality is not the only differentiator. What you do beyond quality makes a real difference. How do you create an experience for the customer? And for that thought, we decided to create a complete ecosystem, give an experience to the customer by creating a unique concept called Jaquar Worlds. We have more than 55 global showrooms across the globe, world-class unique showrooms so that a customer can come, touch and feel the range, color, design, finish. I think perhaps we are the only Indian brand to have this kind of retail visibility across the global markets. So next time if you happen to be in Milan or London or Moscow or Dubai, don't forget to visit our world-class showrooms called Jaquar World. In today's scenario, it is very important that you remain connected to your customer. Keep knocking them, keep building that relationship. And that's why we invested heavily in marketing and brand building across all global markets. The best of global events, Jaquar has been a regular participant at ISS Frankfurt, to Saloni in Italy, to organizing ARP, Lunch and Lunch. Jaquar has been constantly engaging with the customer and saying, guys, we're there with you. If you ask me, one biggest differentiator that Jaquar has compared to anybody, I would say it's his culture. The whole values, ethos that Jaquar bring across. The feeling of being one family, both internal and external. We believe business happens on relationship, and that's why our whole endeavor is to build a very strong relationship with our partners. They're not just our distributors or dealers, they are our partners in this journey.